Hi guys, I'm Laura from Cherub's Chalks Interiors. I'm back today with my latest tutorial and this is another striped piece of furniture. I think this one's giving fun farmhouse circus vibes and I absolutely love it. So let's show you the before. Here's Toby modelling the gorgeous pine table, which has some great legs but is looking a little bit dated with that orange pine finish. So I'm going to sand off all of that orange varnish with a 120 grit with my electric sander. Now I'm going to mix up my own custom red. Fiery Sky is a gorgeous vibrant red but a little bit too dark for me, so I mixed in some Sequoia. Yes, I did have to just Google that. Didn't know how to say it. I went for a 50-50 mix, which I think created the perfect red. We'll give it a real good mix up and then here is the colour. When mixing up paints, make sure to paint up a few sample sticks so you can remember the exact colours. Now I'm going to create the stripes. I am going to be using a thick masking tape for this as I want quite wide stripes. And I'm going straight on to the natural sanded wood as I want pine and red stripes. Now I'm going to show you how I achieve my equally spaced stripes. I do this by positioning at least 3 strips of masking tape right next to each other. I then work my way across, removing every other strip, continuing the stripe pattern along the rest of the drawer front. Once you have achieved your final design, you want to make sure that each piece of masking tape is firmly pressed down, and that there are no air bubbles or wrinkles where paint may seep through. Now you can see that I've finished my stripe design, and now I'm going to use some clear coat in flat and I'm going to apply this all over. This is a crucial part, so please don't be tempted to skip it. This is effectively sealing in each of the masking tape strips. And once this is dry, you can then apply your red paint, and the clear coat layer will help to ensure that you have crisp lines when you remove the masking tape. I usually apply 2 to 3 coats of red paint for full coverage. Once you've left that to dry, it's time for the fun part, the masking tape reveal. Simply and carefully just pull each strip off and you will reveal your stripe design. Now it's time to seal this all in again, especially that raw wood, so I'm using the clear coat in flat once more and going over the whole drawer front. Making sure to finish off, I work in line with the stripes. This will help to prevent any brush strokes. Now I can move on to working on the top surface. This was really quite marked, as you can see. So I've pulled out the big guns and I'm using my real powerful electric sander just to remove all of those scratches. Once I'm satisfied that I have sanded out all of those imperfections, I will finish off by sanding in long smooth strokes across the entire surface. This will even the surface out and make sure that you don't leave any sanding marks. Now it's time to seal in all of that lovely exposed wood. So I'm going to continue the theme using some flat clear coat and apply 2 coats to seal and protect that lovely wood grain. I always decant my clear coat onto a plate and then I use a blue sponge and apply in long, even, smooth strokes. And here is the final finished piece. I am absolutely in love with this custom red mix. I think it is the perfect shade. And with those stripes, it gives it a fun, fresh, traditional, modern twist. I've continued the stripes all the way round to the back so that they can be seen at every angle. I also think that top surface is looking fabulous. Who would have known that natural pale wood grain was hiding under that orange varnish? I really hope that you enjoyed my latest tutorial. I'd love to know what you thought of this makeover in the comments, so please let me know. Remember, you can subscribe here on our channel to get notified when we post our next video, and you can also go and find us on all of the social media platforms at Cherub's Chalks Interiors. Your support means so much to me and I'd love to see you there. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to seeing you again next time. Have a great day and bye for now.